Hello guys, today I will be introducing to you the best toe clip pedals. Bike riding is fun, and whether you are a casual rider or a serious mountain rider, your bike is your favorite. The freedom the vehicle gives you is unparalleled. While there are different fixtures and attributes that you can get with the regular bikes or bicycles, you will need to upgrade the parts for better functions. The use of toe clip pedals is for the same purpose. There are clipless pedals and toe clip pedals available, and both have their fans. The toe clip pedals offer better grip, and are a fixture in mountain bikes to help in riding up a slope, without losing grip from the pedal. Let us check the best 5 toe clip pedals. I am starting from the last in the list, and the product is Etc. Road Resin with toe clip. The black colored strap toe clip is broad, and is light in weight. It has a resin body that provides better shoe contact area, to optimize power transfer and boost support. The low-profile design enhances road clearance for improved confidence. The fourth product is Wellgo LU961 Road Pedals Silver. The bike pedals get sealed bearings. Chromoly spindle in the toe clip makes for easy use. The 9/16 pedal spindle works wonders, and the entire set includes assembled toe clip and strap set. The pedal is made of aluminum, and the color is silver. The third product is Namucuo SPD Pedals Hybrid Pedal. The product is suitable for bikes, and even indoor exercise bikes. The product gets clips that you can remove in 30 seconds, and choose the regular ride or the SPD clip. The ontology is made of aluminum alloy, and the surface is black electrophoresis. The second product is Wellgo Track Fixie Bike Pedal. The product gets the leather strap, and the body is made of aluminum or beryl silver or polished body. The cage is prepared of aluminum black or silver. The ball bearing is light in weight, and that helps in easy pedaling. The final product is MeetLocks Injection Pedal. The product is made of magnesium alloy, and the injection body is made of high quality. The super light but durable pedals get ultra-sealed bearings. The concave platform shape is ideal for long rides. The CRMO machined 9/16" screw thread spindle is prepared of ultra-DU, sealed bearings. After a lot of analysis, my choice is the MeetLocks Injection Pedal. The product is prepared of durable magnesium alloy lightweight pedals. The ultra-sealed bearings pedals and the concave platform give the pedals superior finish. I have attached the product links in the description box below. Please like and share the video if you find it informative. Please subscribe to our channel to receive more such videos from us. Thank you.